Great, so your bite just came in the mail. You're really excited to get it going. We're just gonna walk through how to unbox the unit, and we'll follow it up with a separate video on how to connect your bite to Wi-Fi. So step one, just remove this middle tray here. We've got these. You'll see that in this little slot was your quick start guide, and you'll also get your nutrient cards. We'll put that off to the side here. Next step is to pull down on this little tab here, and you've got this inner tray. We can remove that as well. When you remove this, there are some things inside. So you're gonna have your additional pod packs inside. You get 3 in total, and then there's also going to be some nutrients and your pH strips. Put all those to the side. And then inside you're gonna have your bite. You might have a different color reservoir, but you can just pull it out here gently. Put that to the side here. So first we're just gonna plug it in. The plug's found here at the back and the base. After you plug in the bite, it's gonna go through its lighting sequence, and then you're gonna get a button color. So it'll be flashing white during the power cycle or power up, and then it'll switch to 3 potential different color options. And we're just gonna talk about what to do for each of those options. So the first one you'll see is flashing orange, which means your pump is disconnected. The next one that you'll see is the slow flashing blue, and this is the one you want to see, and this just means that you have no water in your reservoir or your water is low. The last option is that the button is not flashing any color. This likely means that your water level float fell out during shipping, so we're just gonna check in on this unit and see. So as you can see, the float did fall out during shipping, so we've got the lid here and the float here, and I'm just gonna show you how to put it back into place. So you've got the gray front and the white back, the magnet in this corner here. To put it back into place, you're gonna flip the magnet away from you and up in the top left corner. Then you're just going to slide it into this chamber here, drop it in, put the lid on top, click that into place, and you'll see that you go back to the flashing blue.